What I wish I knew about Excel hierarchies years ago? You're gonna love this. First, open your Excel file. Select Hierarchy Values. Press Ctrl+C. Click on the Insert tab at the top. Next, head over to the Illustrations group and click on Smart Art. A new window will pop up with lots of options. Choose Hierarchy from the list on the left. Now, pick the hierarchy style you like best and click OK. Your hierarchy will appear in your worksheet. Click Ctrl+A to select the values and press Ctrl+V to paste our hierarchy values. Our top position is General Manager. After that, we will have Sales Manager and Marketing Manager, so click on Sales Manager and press Tab key once. Now click on Sales Team Member 1 and press Tab key twice. Do the same for Sales Team Member 2. Marketing Manager is under General Manager, so press Tab once. Marketing Member 1 will work under Marketing Manager, so press Tab twice. Do the same for Marketing Member 2 and Marketing Member 3. And there you have it. Your very own Excel hierarchy. Easy peasy. Don't forget to save your work. See you next time for more Excel tips and tricks.